Welcome to McIlrath Sons. Based in Coleraine and operating since 1962, we are a leading supplier of Husqvarna gardening equipment to both domestic and commercial clients. Keeping your lawn healthy can be hard work. The Husqvarna Auto Mower is a high-quality robotic lawn mower that does the work for you and without supervision. No matter the complexity or size of garden, our auto mowers from Husqvarna can keep your lawn looking great. A random travelling pattern lets the auto mower find every corner of your garden, and it can handle wet conditions, difficult terrain, slopes, holes, and temporary obstacles like pine cones and fruits. With an operating noise of no more than 68 decibels, they can also work at night without disturbing anyone. Selected models can be controlled via a mobile app with variable settings including work hours. Whatever your requirements, we have the equipment to fit every need and budget. For more information, call us on 028 7086 8210.